Hi everyone. So, have you ever felt so overwhelmed with your disastrous room? I'm going to be switching you guys over in a minute. That you don't even know where to start? Yeah, that's me. So, we are going to attack and let's clean up together. Okay, so here's my disaster. I'm not really touching a whole lot here, but I have a lot of stuff here. And I'm afraid to show you. Here we go. Look. So I'm getting prepped for a craft show I signed up for. So I have like wood stuff down there. I have a project in there. Like it's just a mess. And I got to a point where I am so overwhelmed that, yeah, we are going to have to attack this before I can go further. So here's the really bad part. I have bags stored for storage. Yeah, let's just, it's a disaster. Okay, let's get cracking to this. Okay, so not knowing where to start with this is insane. So the first thing that I do when I think of it is, okay, what do I need done first? What are my projects coming up and what do I need done? So for me, because I'm getting ready for a show, I need like Halloween stuff put up because I'm not doing Halloween journals or anything like that anymore. I do have some pumpkin projects I'm working on for my other channel, which will be up soon. So excited. Anyhow, so right now what I'm going to attack first is this. A good thing to have on hand when you're just so overloaded, because with my ADD, I literally keep going back and forth and back and forth. So I have boxes. I have 3 different size boxes here. One, I'm going to pack all of my Halloween stuff. My paper, my ephemera, all that kind of stuff is going to go into one box. That I'll still have access to if I need it, but to have it all in one place is a good thing for me. And then I have this doesn't belong here. Where do I want to put it? So like some fabric or just stuff to get out of the way. Then another one of those boxes. And then I just make a pile of my trash and go from there. So we're gonna attack this area first up here. I'm gonna grab my chair and bring it back in here. That way I don't kill my niece. I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna be attacking this area first. So I have a lot of Halloween stuff over here. But first, I don't need my sewing machine. I haven't been using this one very often because I brought my other one up. So I'm gonna pack this sewing machine up and get it out of here. Sewing machine gone. So much easier. So I have a lot of Halloween stuff up here. So I'm going to put it all in this box. And for right now, I just want it gone. So I'm going to try to organize it in any which way. Just, I'll take care of that later. And then the mix of that, I'm coming around with lots of like just regular papers that I've had. So with those, I am just going to put them in one of these other boxes after I make a pile. And I'm going to add all of my fabric that I have over on my other table and deal with that later. Here for my Halloween. And now I can attack a little bit more. You know, I bought this at a thrift store and still have never used it. Oh, maybe it helped unpack it. I'm not even sure where my, I don't know, we'll put it in here. So what I like to do is use my boxes as one is specific to what I want, you know, like extra paper, craft supplies. Another one is, I'm not really sure, so let me put it in here to clear out the area, because I work better if I clear out a complete area and then reorganize it. That's just the way my brain works. Okay, my next step is to just move a lot of this that's under here so I can organize down there, and then I'm going to put this down because I found it's more of a junk collector and I'm not needing it as much. Going to attack this section since I got that one pretty underhand. Okay, so now I have a little bit more organized back in this area so I don't feel as clustered. We're gonna stop here. The one thing I want to stress is if you pack a box, like I had that box completely filled, empty it. Put it where it belongs. That's what that's what the boxes are for. It's for you to fill up with stuff that doesn't belong there, but then you go put it where it belongs. Or else you're just gonna have a box of clutter, which no one wants more clutter. This box is filled with fabric, and I'm gonna leave it with fabric because I have a lot more fabric to go through, and I have plastic tubs to go organize with more fabric. This box is filled with the stuff that I'm taking to the show with me. Well, not all of it, I'm not taking that. That can go in my fabric box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will give it a thumbs up and think of subscribing. And if this is something you want more of, let me know in the comments, and I will do another video of me going through and getting rid of the big clutter. I do plan on doing the small clutter stuff because let me tell you, I have a lot of small clutter too. Like maybe I should do a what's on your desk clutter because, oh, I have a lot, and not just on this desk. So thank you for joining me. I hope you guys all have a fabulous day, and you guys are wonderful. Thanks.